The runners away, searching for the leader. There goes number 6, Lady Zip. There's a spill. Oh, almost took a spill. Number 1 pendant. We've got Lady Zip. See, then comes Lucky Saber by the rail. Then comes Ashley Skip, Master Maker, Directors Donya. Then followed over now by Camiguin Island, running by the rail pendant and going along for the first turn. Two runners now matching strides together, running on the outside. Lady Zip, Lucky Saber is running by the rail. Another 4 lengths behind in third, Master Maker. Then comes Ashley Skip. Then here comes Pendant, now getting closer in fifth together with Directors Donya, Silver King, Camiguin Island. Going back to the leader, Lady Zip by about 2 lengths now, followed by Lucky Saber. Master Maker comes next, moving about the outside. Pendant. Then comes Directors Donya, Ashley Skip also moving up. And nearing the fourth turner, it's still Lady Zip by some 4 lengths. Pendant by the rail and on the outside. Lucky Saber. Then comes Master Maker as they swing for home. Lady Zip by about 5 lengths now, followed by Pendant, Master Maker, Ashley Skip, Lucky Saber. Down to the finish, and it's still Lady Zip by some 6 lengths. And finally, Lady Zip. Second, Ashley Skip, Directors Donya, Master Maker, Camiguin Island. Then comes Lucky Saber, Silver King, and Pendant.
Alright, banderang tapos eh. Lumalabas na banderang tapos to. Lady Zip with O'Neil P. Cortez. Masisegunduhin 4, Ashley Skip. Directors Donya, Master Maker. At 8, Camiguin Island. Malayo pagkakapanalo ni Lady Zip. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 4.